Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to Rolling in Style, your ultimate toilet roll holder destination. At Rolling in Style, we are passionate about all things toilet roll holders. If you are someone who appreciates the finer details in bathroom decor, this channel is tailor-made for you. Our mission is to bring you the most comprehensive and insightful content above toilet roll holders, ranging from reviews and comparisons to dye hacks and creative inspirations. What you can expect from our channel: number one, in-depth reviews. We will dive into the world of various toilet roll holders, exploring their features, functionality, and aesthetics. Our honest and unbiased reviews will help you make informed decisions when choosing the perfect holders for your bathroom. Number two, holder showcase. Discover the most stylish, innovative, and unique toilet roll holders on the market. From sleek modern designs to vintage classics, we will showcase a wide range of options to suit different tastes and bathroom themes. Number three, practical tips and tricks. Learn valuable tips and tricks for organizing and maintaining your toilet roll holders. We will provide practical solutions to common holder related issues, making your bathroom experience more enjoyable and convenient. Number 4, dye projects. Get your creative juices flowing with our exciting dye tutorials. Learn how to craft your own personalized toilet roll holders using budget friendly materials, adding a touch of personality to your bathroom. Number 5, guest experts. We will invite experts and designers to share their insights into the world of bathroom decor and the latest trends into the toilet roll holder design. Thanks for watching my video.